Hello YouTube, making this video because I had a problem with this Coleman. I was using the bottles, but it was creating like a low flame. I wasn't able to cook anything. The flame was real low, so I'm pretty sure it's probably this regulator, the issue that was causing it. So I did a little research. I found this guy that does this mod. Basically, the regulator goes around to two burners and then comes around right here. So what I did, I bought the little kit that comes with the little elbow to a quick release. And this is a quick release, and basically you connect it to the end cap that's in here. It's like a 10mm, and a little quick connect for like an RV thing. I'm not sure. Then I bought this hose that has a regulator. I think it's like a 1 PSI. It's like a low pressure. You could connect it to 20-pound propane tank instead of that little one. And yeah, it works. Like, turn that one on, turn this one on, and then now the flames are working good. There you go, look at that. They used to be like that on high heat with the little one. The little regulator, it would like cut flow or something. I don't know. I tried cleaning it, nothing would work. So I think this is the better way to go because there's no regulator. It's just this one. If this one goes bad, you could just replace the hose. But yeah, it's high heat, both on high heat, both working good. Yep, look at that. There it is.